display information to the screen using the print statement. In this video, we're going to be learning about variables and what they are and how to use them. So in Python, just like in any other programming language, a variable is a placeholder for something. So it can be of a name or a word or something that's a string. It can also be a number or a character. So for example, I'm going to say room equals. So room is the name of the variable. Equals, so the equal sign here is setting the value to, let's say, A237. But, so that's my room number, but because I have an A in it, it actually doesn't like it. It gives me a squiggly line. So if I put double quotes around it, and I put this in between, now you notice those squiggly lines disappeared. If I just put in 237, it's okay because there's no letter there. Letters have to be encased in a double quotes, whereas a number can sit by itself. And if I put print, and I say we are in classroom, and then I put print, and then to display the variable, I just write the name with no quotes. And you notice I don't get a red squiggly. And if I run it, it says it right there. But if I wanted to display this up here, I just put a comma and I type the name of the variable, and then I can delete that one. This here is called, with the comma and the name of the variable, it is called string concatenation. Concatenation just means joining a variable to a string. So what we can do is, if I say, let's put print again, but if I put quotes and put room, you see how it's a different color than this? This will only display this. So anything that's encased in quotes inside of print will display exactly what is written, not the variable name. So that is displaying the room. If I put name equals, and I put now just my first name, Carlos, and then I put print, and then I say hello, comma, name, print, you are in room, and then I type room, and I run this. It says, hello, Carlos, you are in room 237. Now, what happens if I put these before this? You see the red squiggly lines. It says undefined, because before you can use the variable in a print statement, you have to define it first, which is down here. So defining variables always happens first. Then, something else that is important to know, there are legal variables and there are illegal variable names. So legal variable names are as follows. You can say room, like we just did, name. I can put first name, and that's fine. I can say last underscore name, and that is fine. I can say June 1997, and that is fine as well. The reason why they're squigglies is because we didn't set the variable names to anything, so that's why those are squiggly. Illegal names are, if I said first space name, that's illegal. You can't have spaces in your variable names. If I said first $ name, can't do that either. You cannot have special characters as part of your variable name. It is illegal. I cannot say 97 June because you cannot start a variable name with a number. But you can have numbers in your variable's names, but you just can't start it with it. And I spelled first wrong anyway. So those are the difference between legal and illegal variable names. In our next video, we're actually going to learn how to store data or actually we're going to learn how to read input from the user. So instead of us telling the user information, we're going to learn it from them.